Hey everyone, this is Magali from Daily French Lesson, and today I explain to you when to use a, when to use en, and au when you are talking about a country or a city. I am going to New York, I live in Canada, I moved to Quebec. If you're new to this channel, I teach you how to learn French on your own and to speak French with more confidence. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you want to know when a new video is out. I know you guys can be a little bit confused with when to use a, en, or au, so today I'm gonna try to make it a little bit easier for you. First of all, we're gonna talk about what to say when you talk about a city. It is 99% of the time, yes, there are exceptions. I'm not gonna talk about these for this specific topic because you would need to actually memorize them, and there are not that many. When you talk about a city, 99% of the time you say a. Je vais à Paris. Elle habite à Sydney. Il emmène ses parents à New York. When you talk about a country or a state or a province, you will need to know if the state, the province, or the country is feminine or masculine. Sorry. When you talk about a feminine country, you are using en. Elle part en Angleterre. Nous allons en France. A country is feminine when the last letter is an E. La France, l'Angleterre, la Chine, l'Argentine, etc. Of course, there are exceptions, and the exceptions are listed. Belize, Cambodge, le Mexique, le Mozambique, le Suriname, ou le Zimbabwe. You can also use en with a state. Je vais en Californie. This is the same rule as for the countries. Californie ends with an E. Je vais en Louisiane. The names of the states and the countries are different in French, so you will need to learn the actual name in French. Can you tell me in the comments, where do you live? I want you to say the city and the country. Now we are using au, au with a masculine country or state or province. Il travaille au Mexique. Mexique ends with an E, but it's in the list of the exceptions, so it's actually masculine and not feminine. Vous partez au Costa Rica. Nous allons au Texas. Elles habitent au Québec. Now we use au plural with an X when the country is either feminine or masculine, but plural. Some countries are plural, like les États-Unis, les Seychelles, les Philippines, les îles Féroé, les Pays-Bas, etc. Ses cousins vivent aux États-Unis. Elle voyage aux Philippines. If you have any other questions, please let me know in the comments and I'll be happy to get back to you. I hope this video is gonna help you to understand this rule a little bit more, and I will see you soon. Bye!